night out in Huntington Beach, dinner in Newport Beach, a crowded event in Anaheim, or even a road rage incident on the 405. These everyday situations can quickly escalate into something far more serious, an arrest for assault or battery. By the next morning, one person may be facing criminal charges at the Central Justice Center in Santa Ana, while the other person's role in the incident is barely examined. Orange County sees a high volume of assault and battery cases due to its busy nightlife, entertainment zones, and dense population. Areas like Huntington Beach's Main Street, Newport Beach's Balboa Peninsula, and Anaheim's Entertainment District regularly produce arrests after altercations. These cases move quickly through the court system, often backed by strong evidence gathered by law enforcement. What makes these charges especially serious in Orange County is not just the potential jail time, but the impact on your career. Many professionals in the county, including healthcare workers, lawyers, real estate agents, and financial advisors, are required to report criminal convictions to licensing boards. Even a misdemeanor battery conviction can trigger disciplinary action that affects your livelihood. That's why a strong defense strategy from the very beginning is critical. Understanding the charges, PC 240Vs. PC 242. California law separates assault and battery into two distinct offenses. PC 240 Assault. No contact required. Assault is defined as an unlawful attempt, combined with the ability to commit a violent injury. Physical contact is not necessary. For example, raising a fist, throwing a drink that misses, or lunging aggressively at someone can still lead to an assault charge. This is typically a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail and a $1,000 fine. PC 242 Battery. Physical contact required. Battery involves actual physical contact. Even minor contact like pushing someone, grabbing an arm, or making unwanted physical contact can qualify. Injury is not required. Battery is also a misdemeanor, but carries higher fines, up to $2,000, along with possible jail time. The elevation problem in Orange County. One of the biggest risks in Orange County is how quickly a simple case can escalate. A minor altercation can be upgraded to a felony if certain factors are present. For example, PC 245 assault with a deadly weapon. Objects like bottles, vehicles, or even furniture can be considered deadly weapons. This charge can carry up to 4 years in prison. PC 243D. Battery causing serious injury. If the alleged victim suffers significant injury, the charge may be elevated to a felony with similar penalties. Prosecutors in Orange County often pursue these enhancements aggressively. Challenging these upgrades early is one of the most important parts of a defense. Aggravated assault and special circumstances. More serious situations can lead to aggravated charges. PC 245 Aggravated assault. This applies when force is likely to cause serious injury or when a weapon is involved. In Orange County, this often arises from bar fights, road rage incidents, or physical confrontations involving objects. Battery on a peace officer. If an officer is involved, especially during an arrest or crowd control, the charges can increase automatically. Even minimal contact during a tense situation can lead to enhanced penalties, including up to 3 years in custody. How law enforcement builds these cases. Orange County agencies are well equipped and experienced in handling assault cases. Understanding how they build cases helps in defending them. Body camera footage. Most departments, including Anaheim PD, Newport Beach PD, and the Orange County Sheriff's Department, use body cameras. These recordings often capture key moment statements, behavior, and the condition of everyone involved. This footage can support or contradict the official report. Surveillance systems. Busy areas like Huntington Beach's Main Street and Anaheim's Entertainment District are heavily monitored. Businesses and venues often provide video footage to police. However, this footage is often selective. A full review may show events leading up to the incident that change the entire narrative. Primary aggressor decisions. Officers responding to a scene must quickly decide who the primary aggressor is. These decisions are often based on limited information: who appears calmer, who called police, or who has visible injuries. These snap judgments are not always accurate and can be challenged in court. Where these cases are handled. Assault and battery cases in Orange County are prosecuted in 3 main courthouses. Central Justice Center, Santa Ana, handles most cases. Harbor Justice Center, Newport Beach, covers South County. North Justice Center, Fullerton, covers North County. Each location has its own prosecutors and procedures, making local experience important in building a defense. Defense strategies that work. Every case is different, but several defense strategies are commonly used in Orange County. Self-defense. You have the right to protect yourself if you reasonably believe you are in danger. Many arrests occur because officers misidentify who started the conflict. Presenting the full context, threats, actions, and environment can support a self-defense claim. Mutual combat. If both parties willingly participated in a fight, the legal analysis changes. This can lead to reduced charges or even dismissal, depending on the circumstances. Challenging felony enhancements. When prosecutors attempt to elevate a case, the defense can challenge whether the object used qualifies as a weapon or whether the force used was truly likely to cause serious injury. Civil compromise. In some misdemeanor battery cases, the law allows for a civil compromise. If the alleged victim agrees that the matter has been resolved, often through compensation, the court may dismiss the case entirely. Protecting professional licenses. Avoiding a conviction is especially important for licensed professionals. Defense strategies often focus on outcomes that do not trigger mandatory reporting, such as dismissals or alternative resolutions. What to do after an arrest. If you are arrested for assault or battery, your actions immediately afterward can impact your case. 1. Remain silent. Do not explain or justify anything to police without an attorney. 2. Avoid contact with the other party. This can lead to additional charges. 3. Document injuries. Take photos of any marks or bruises as soon as possible. 4. Identify witnesses. Anyone who saw what happened can help your defense. 5. Note cameras. Surveillance footage can be critical evidence. 6. Contact a defense attorney quickly. Evidence like video footage may only be available for a short time. Frequently asked questions. What's the difference between assault and battery? Assault does not require physical contact, just the attempt or threat. Battery requires actual contact, even if minor. Does body camera footage help or hurt? It can do both. In many cases, it provides valuable evidence that supports the defense, especially if it shows inconsistencies in reports. Can you claim self-defense if you acted first? Yes, in some situations. If you reasonably believed harm was imminent, self-defense may still apply. What is civil compromise? It's a legal option in certain misdemeanor cases where the alleged victim agrees the issue is resolved, allowing the court to dismiss the case. Will a conviction affect my career? It can. Many professions require reporting criminal convictions, which may lead to disciplinary action. Conclusion. Assault and battery charges in Orange County are serious, even at the misdemeanor level. Between aggressive prosecution, extensive surveillance, and the potential impact on your career, these cases require immediate and strategic action. Understanding how these cases are built and how they can be challenged makes a significant difference in the outcome. If you or someone you know is facing assault or battery charges, don't wait to take action. Early decisions can shape the entire case. Speak with a qualified defense attorney as soon as possible to understand your options and protect your future.